Ciao a tutti. Today is crazy. It's raining. It's windy like hurricane. But Emma needs to go for a walk. So we're going. Everybody in rainy clothes, warm, and we're all going out. And we are taking you along. If it's okay with you. Let's go. It's still beautiful. It's still Italy. Mamma mia, how beautiful. Look at this. We're still in Italy. So what if it's raining and cold? It's still beautiful. And since we're already out, we decided we can find some nice bar, sit down and have something to drink and have some snacks, because in Italy you can do it almost everywhere. So why not? So that's what we're doing. So we ended up in the bar right down from our place, and we'll show to you what we ordered. We actually just got a few coins in the pocket because we just were walking with Emma, so we tried to figure out what can we have just with those coins. So we'll see. We got big teapot, we got little pizzetta, and this something sweet, I think with fruits or custard or something. So I will tell you at the end how much was it. The pizza is really good. It's has like this smoky taste, and really fresh and hot. And by the way, this is our place, so we just went and we're here. We love being in the center of the town, and we're amazed how easy it is to find always a place, almost till very, very late, place to drink something hot, to eat something, munch something. And it's always amazingly low price. So we're just happy campers here. Good. Quanto costa?
10 euro.
10 euro. What is that in English?
10 euros.
10 euros. And those were just coins in our pockets. So we got rid of coins and we had such a great afternoon. some shows on Disney. And now we are ready to go for dinner. We'll see where we end up. We will go through our restaurants and see which we would like the best for this evening. We'll see if they're open because it's Monday today. On Monday, some restaurants are closed. So we are in Piazzetta. There are people here. It's festive, and it's interesting thing that I remember from last year. I had this special spaghetti. It's not on the menu, and it wasn't on the menu last year, but they just made for me. So I asked them, how about, and they said, yeah, of course, we just will make for you, even if it's not on the menu. So we'll see what we eat. First, our favorite, legs and wings. It's appetizer, and it's very good. If you wonder what's so special, I wanted to order. This is spaghetti panna e funghi, which is cream sauce and mushrooms, and it's really, really good. And Vince ordered cutlet e patatine.
This cutlet is with the beef. It's actually very melts in your mouth. The coating is it's crispy, but it's not hard, and it's really tasty. Very good.
The dinner was perfect. It was so great. Now we are going home to have something.
Baileys.
Baileys.
We're gonna have
He
Baileys.
said Baileys. Okay, we're going to have Baileys and we'll watch a movie. Yay! After dinner, it's always nice to have a little passeggiata, especially when the town looks so beautiful. Please subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to us.